fuck it up, I'm a slut. I've been in the cut, hard to fight. I've been woken up, never blind. I've been on my own, I've been signed.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. Today we got a very special car on the channel. We got a 1990 Nissan GTR R32 v-spec, and we're gonna do a little photo shoot with it, a little cinematic shot, and yeah, maybe get a review in, get some driving time and some time behind the wheel. It is right-hand drive, so it might be a little awkward at first while I'm driving it, but we should be able to get it down just fine. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so now that we're done with all the cinematic shots and that little montage, done with the photography, now we're gonna get some driving done. Really enjoyed shooting this car. It's a blast to be in. I didn't really get any shots on the inside while he was driving because the music was blasting and we didn't want any copyright infringements, so I decided not to do any shots while he was driving. So this time around I'm gonna put you guys on the GoPro, and we're gonna see what we can do in a right-hand drive R32 GTR, which is pretty exciting. This is the first time I've probably even seen one in person. I'm lying, I've seen them on the freeway, but I've never been in one. I've never seen one up close. I got to see one like this until recently when he just picked this up. If you guys aren't familiar with him, he's had an R35 on the channel before. He's had a NSX on the channel before. He just keeps going through cars left and right, and it's just a real pleasure to be able to see these. Alright, so this is our first time driving a right-hand drive car. I didn't know if I would be able to do it with my left hand. It's different. Damn. That shit goes, huh? Oh, I saw the stop sign.
Yeah, I haven't changed my brakes yet. That's what's in the.
Yeah, they're. You can tell that they're
old.
They don't grab very well either. Damn, that blow-off valve, dude. What is it? Is it stock or is it ready?
The HKS. They come the stock HKS. Yo, what's up? You guys lost us? How? I'll send you my location. We're going back to downtown right now. Yeah, we'll meet you at the same spot. far, this car is really easy to drive. I'm definitely impressed by it. The clutch is literally perfect. I didn't know how well I would adapt to driving right-hand drive. I was veering into the other lane a little bit to my left because I'm adjusting naturally, but besides that, it's pretty simple. Shifting with your left hand isn't as difficult as most people would have thought. Besides that, the only thing that's really weird about it is how close the pedals are to each other. And that blow-up valve sounds amazing.
All right, guys, that was a blast to drive. I'm gonna post the GoPro footage raw. I think it's time to sell the ROUSH, guys, and hopefully, you know, I could come up on the ROUSH and get an RB26. I'm just joking. The ROUSH isn't going anywhere, but maybe in the near future there will be a JDM car on the channel. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys would enjoy something like that. He just popped the hood for us. 100% stock. Now I 100% understand why he got rid of the NSX for this car. I'm literally lost for words driving that car. Sorry about my GoPro hair as well. I couldn't be any happier driving it. Like, sure, it's a little different driving a right-hand drive car. I'm sure most of you haven't. For those that have your first time driving one, I feel like I'm veering to the left lane too much. I feel like I'm trying to drive it like a left-hand drive car and a traditional car, but it's a little different to say the least. But I did get used to it, and I could definitely see myself in one. And guys, that's not just a normal R32, it's a v-spec as well, and all it has on it is some simple coilovers, a Tomei exhaust, and that's it. Other than that, it is 100% bone stock. It still has the cats in it, but I'm sure with him being him, he's gonna do a lot to this car. The ride is definitely rough. I'm sure he's gonna adjust the coilovers or swap them out for something that handles a little better. It's definitely a brutal ride. But with that being said, like, it's definitely a fun ride at the same time. It reminds me a lot of my RS. Not fast, but just something fun to drive in. You just have to appreciate that. It's just raw and really a fun car to drive. That's not something that you see every day. One thing that I do see that he should probably delete is this wiper motor right here. That just drives me insane. But other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what your thoughts are on this R32. It's a pleasure to drive it, and a big shout out to him. I'll link his Instagram in the description below. And with that being said, that's going to do it for today's video. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, we're out.